Market conditions remaining bullish in this bull market, sitting at a bull market rank of 24.56, sitting right here at the upper end of this current bull trend. Yesterday we saw momentum, not a whole lot of activity actually, momentum still sticking right here in this bullish trend, and breadth still stuck right in the middle. So not a whole lot of changes yesterday. We are still seeing positive sentiment overall. Also, buy-sell ratio is still negative right here where we're sitting at this range now of 0.33, moving from yesterday from 0.38. So we're still well below 1, and that represents this line here. Anytime we have a buy-sell ratio that's less than 1, that means bears are in charge of the overall market. Right now, we've just got such a handful of strong stocks that are moving and holding the market up. Right now, that's this is the concerning part of the trend right here. It could go two ways. We're already wide. We've already been here for a while, so we could see that the rest of these bullish, or the stocks that currently have bullish trends, start to weaken, and those give up as well, and we continue to move this direction. We're also wide enough now that we could see some of these that are in downtrends start to catch up. So it'll be interesting to see which catches up. The market catches up to these bearish type of signals, or if we get some of these that start to heat up again. We also are seeing some weakness yesterday in sectors overall. We saw a little bit of a shift back to a couple moving back into that downtrend range. There are two or three sectors that are just continuing to flirt with that hold range and then that sell range. Not seeing a whole lot of activity in this upper buy range. We have these same three that are really leading the market. The rest are relatively weak. That's a good indication, or that's a good confirmation of some of these other internals as well. Internals are they're just not strong right now for the overall market, even though we're continuing to kind of drift slightly higher. Commodities, we are seeing a continuation here in oil, holding up around that $77, $78 range, and pushing that 236 area, finding some resistance right here, but we'll see if we get any strength and then continue to move USO even higher. We're seeing some weakness still in silver. It's testing that 382 retracement area now, and also gold, which is also down, testing those lows, or testing the lows of the most recent trends right here. Those certainly have been considered flight to quality as money is moving back into those, and now we're in the corrective zone of that, just meaning that this is still an uptrend, but we're just working on some consolidation and watching for some support at these levels. As those continue to weaken, it can still be an uptrend, but the retracement just becomes a little bit deeper, making it harder for that trend to continue from here. So gold's got a little bit of work to do, but not too far off. It could find a significant bounce right here if it does and moves back up into that momentum zone. That could also allow for continuation of that trend. Let's take a look at some of the stocks in the muscle stocks list. A few interesting trades to look at today. A couple of those. One was a Hood, which is Robinhood, the brokerage app. Not a real clean confirmation bar, kind of drifting down here, but increased volume. Could see some continuation there on Robinhood. Also seeing FIP, which is in the real estate sector. This one is a nicer looking pattern, good confirmation bar, breaking up above that most recent resistance area on increased volume. So that'll do it for today's update, and everyone have a fantastic day today.